my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. Okay, so today I'm preparing for my family roasted Brussels sprouts with carrots and Parmesan cheese. If you want to see how I achieve this, then let's do it. Today our count is 11,900 plus subscribers. Yippee! We're getting there. I must say thank you to each and every one of you, especially to you, my returning subscribers. You are my MVP. And to you, the brand new subscribers, God bless you and you are welcome. And to you who are just watching and haven't subscribed us yet, please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. God bless you. And to you, my faithful sister Irene, I'm shouting you out today. You are always here. Family, go over to her channel today and be a blessing. I love you, Irene, and God bless you. Family, I'm still doing it. I am still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you today. If you have watched this video all the way to the end and have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.